Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to either enable or disable battery saver mode on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in settings, best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile, and then on the left side underneath system you would select battery. I'm on a desktop so it's not going to give me that option, but again you would select the battery button. It would come up right underneath system, and then on the right panel it would say battery saver. To get more from your battery when it's running low, limit notifications and background activity. You just would toggle that to the on or off position, and then there would be an option further down that would say turn battery saver on automatically at a certain percentage point of battery remaining, and then there'd also be an option to lower screen brightness when in battery saver mode. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.